Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a bike that's sure to shake up the mid-range sports motorcycle market. The brand new CF Moto 675 SR. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just a fan of incredible machines, you're going to want to stick around as we break down everything there is to know about this powerhouse. CF Moto is a brand that's been quietly gaining ground in the motorcycle world. Known for delivering high-quality, affordable bikes, they're now taking a huge step forward with the 675 SRR. This new model positions itself firmly in the highly competitive middleweight sports bike segment, ready to rival giants like Yamaha, Honda, and Kawasaki. This 675 was first introduced at the EICMA 2023 event, where it wowed audiences with its impressive spec sheet and aggressive styling. Let's break down exactly what makes this bike a serious contender. At the heart of the CF Moto is a 675cc three-cylinder engine, an exciting feature that sets it apart from most bikes in this category. With a max output of 95 horsepower at 11,500 revolutions per minute and 70 Newton of torque, this engine promises serious power and smooth delivery across the rev range. The engine's triple-cylinder setup offers a balance between raw power and control, giving the rider a thrilling yet manageable experience on both streets and tracks. It's a similar formula to what we've seen in the Triumph Daytona, but with the CF Moto's unique flair and, of course, a more accessible price point. Now, let's talk about the design. The 675 SR has been developed with help from Italian design studio Modena 40, and it shows. The bike is sleek, aerodynamic, and screams race-ready from every angle. The aggressive LED headlights, sharp fairings, and aerodynamic curves don't just look great, they're functional too. The bike is designed to slice through the air, minimizing drag, which helps improve both speed and fuel efficiency. One standout feature is the tail section, which is sharp and minimalistic, giving the bike a racing aesthetic. It's clear that CF Moto wanted this bike to look just as fast as it rides. To keep all that power under control, CF Moto spared no expense when it came to suspension. Up front, you'll find a 41mm adjustable KYB inverted fork, and at the rear, a fully adjustable KYB monoshock. This setup gives the 675 SR the agility needed to handle tight corners and maintain stability at high speeds. When it comes to stopping power, the bike is equipped with dual 300mm discs up front and a 240mm disc in the rear, both fitted with high-performance J1 calipers. The braking system is complemented by ABS, ensuring that you can stop confidently, even in challenging conditions. CF Moto has packed this bike with cutting-edge technology, starting with the full-color TFT display that gives the rider real-time access to critical data, everything from speed and revolutions per minute to fuel levels and ride modes. Speaking of ride modes, the 675 offers multiple settings, allowing riders to adjust the bike's behavior based on riding conditions. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the track, you can tune the throttle response and engine power to suit your needs. There's also a quick shifter and slipper clutch on board, making gear changes smoother and faster. These are typically features found in higher-end sport bikes, so it's impressive to see them in this mid-range model. One area where this CF Moto shines is its price. Its official retail price in China is 42,000 yuan. In the United States, it is already available for around $8,000, and it is expected that in Europe, it will be around 8,600 euros, being exactly 30% more expensive than its smaller brother, the CF Moto 450 SR. It offers us exceptional value for money, especially considering the technology and performance it offers. That makes it a great option for motorcyclists who want a sport bike experience without spending a fortune. CF Moto is positioning the 675 SR for global success, aiming to release it in Europe, Latin America, and Asia by 2025. Their strategy of offering high-performance bikes at competitive prices is working, and the 675 SR could increase their visibility further. With impressive performance, advanced technology, and affordability, the 675 SR is poised to disrupt the mid-range sports bike market, challenging established brands like Kawasaki, Honda, and Yamaha. As CF Moto delivers high-end features at lower prices, these traditional manufacturers may need to rethink their strategies. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. See you next time and drive carefully.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100.